Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add voice effects on TikTok. To get started, you want to go ahead and navigate to where your TikTok application is. And you want to click on it and sign in. Alright, I am in my TikTok application. So once you're here, you want to go ahead and click on the plus sign here. Alright, to add voice effects. And once you do that, the voice effects is going to appear right here at the right side where the other effects are listed. You want to go ahead and click on the red button to record a video. Once you're done recording the video, what you want to do is to go ahead and click here. Alright, remember I told you that for you to have access to the voice effects feature on TikTok, you need to either record a video or upload a video. And once you've done that, then you can have access to the voice effects feature. As you can see, this is the voice effects feature right here. You want to click on it. Right here, I have just two voice effects. I have chipmunk and baritone. Remember that you can only add one voice effects to a particular video at any given time. You cannot use more than one voice effect at a given time. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and choose one. Once you've chosen one, it is going to be applied automatically. Once you've chosen one, what you can do is to click on next if you can see the button. So what you want to do, if you can't see the button like me, you want to go ahead and just tap on your screen. So you need to play the voice effect and listen to it and see if it is what you actually want. If it is what you want, you want to go ahead and click on next, and then you want to go ahead and tag your video and describe your video and post your video. Guys, this is how to add voice effects on TikTok. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.